Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are about to jump on Netflix and finish our last 2 episodes. Apparently, we didn't want to tell you what we were watching. Well, this series is Black Spot. You definitely need to check it out. It's originally in French, but they have English dubbing. Super crazy good. But first, we've got some movie snacks that we want to try out. First, we have these Blue Diamond chili and lime flavored almonds, mango rings with Tajín, True Fruit Nature's strawberries. So, obviously, one's fruit, one's chewy candy, one's almonds, but they all have a fruit in the flavor. So let's try them. One of my favorite Bible verses of all times is from Ecclesiastes 9. Verse 7 says, "Go eat your food with gladness and drink your wine with a joyful heart, for God has already approved what you do." Okie dokie. That is permission enough that I need to eat some delicious food. So first we're going to try out these True Fruit strawberries. Now Mr. Cameraman already ripped into this package. So it's really interesting. So, geez, those are like huge. I don't know if you're supposed to bite it or eat the whole thing. But so, on the back it says, nature's strawberries picked ripe, then frozen fresh, hyper dried, and then immersed in dark chocolate. Wowza. That might be the funkiest, like, candy I've ever tried. So look, there's the strawberry in there. So that was like what they call hyper dried. There is a lot of chocolate, so you don't get like tons of strawberry. The idea of it reminds me of like a Brookside. I don't know if you've ever had those, but they're like a fruit jelly with chocolate on the outside. Those are good. And I got all these at Sam's Club. I think that I think everything was about $10. The mango rings were a little bit cheaper though. Overall, I would definitely get these ones again. Okie dokie, I'm the most excited about these, so I want to save them for last. Now I'm going to try these Blue Diamond chili and lime almonds. Ooh, they smell really good. Now, I've had many of the other flavors of Blue Diamond stuff. Not like tons of flavor. You want one? Ooh, that one I got There's like liquid in it. Look at that. Do you guys see that red liquid? That was funky. I wonder what that was. Was that like my saliva? Just like a little, I wish that there was more lime. But they do taste really good. I feel like these would be really good in a turkey wrap with some queso fresco. Like, the chili flavor is really good though. They feel salty, but they don't really actually taste that salty. Like I said, there's just not very much lime. Really good. Almost tastes like maybe like a Serrano or something. I really have no idea. It just says chili pepper. Interesting. So, interesting thing about the almonds is when I go out to eat, I get lime with my water instead of lemon. And while I was eating these, I didn't get tons of lime, but as I'm drinking my water, I'm kind of getting that same taste of like limey water, if that makes any sense. They're actually good. I mean, the more I eat them, the more I want them. Now, for these, I am so excited. I've had products from Snak Club before with the Tajín, and I'm not huge on mango, but who doesn't love a fruit ring? Oh my gosh, they smell so sweet. Oh, they look interesting. They look like little fat chunky calamaris or something. So that is what they look like. That is really good. The texture is unlike what you think of when you think of like a fruit ring, like the green apple ones or the peach ones. It's like, I don't know. I want to say it's not chewy, but it's chewy. It's just really good. I'm getting the lime. I'm getting the mango. The chili is like in the back of your throat. Really, really good. I mean, I could see myself eating this whole bag. Super crazy good. Now, these were only like $7 in some sense. They're gluten-free vegan. Now, they do say mild, and I think that if you would think food is spicy, this might be a little bit more than what I would consider a mild. I do want to try, they also have Tajín watermelon rings, Tajín peach rings, and Tajín apple rings. But I have not seen those at Sam's Club, so I am excited to try those if I ever see them. I'm really into these. Like, really into these. This one's really got a lot of seasoning on it. So good. And I don't think you can tell on camera, but right here you can tell a little bit. There's like 2 different colors on the inside. There's like a translucent layer, and then there's like a milky yellow layer. Oh, this one doesn't have a hole in it. I can't get over how good those are. The texture, it just like melts in your mouth. It's not like elastic, stretchy chewy. It's like creamy chewy, if that makes any sense. And surprisingly, my fingers are a little dirty, but not like super Cheeto-y fingers like I thought that they would from the picture. But all of the Tajín is pretty well stuck on there. Overall, I mean, all of these snacks are definitely worth buying. This one especially. I'm not sure when I'm going to get this video posted, but this package is over $4 off, or it's $4 off at Sam's Club right now. So this was only like $10 or $11. And these, I mean, these are going to be great to cool down those two, because those peach rings are pretty spicy. They are more spicy than the almonds, which actually surprised me, being like a fruit snack product. But these strawberries are really good. The creamy almost looks a little aerated-y chocolate with that like crunchy tart strawberry. It's such a fun flavor combination in your mouth, and such a fun texture combination. Then these, just like a hint of lime with a smoky New Mexican red chili, Serrano chili-y kind of situation flavor going on. Really, really good. Like I said, these would be really good in a turkey wrap. These, both would be really good just all the time. So not that these snacks are actually like comparable, but I tried to make this video kind of like fruity snacks. This is definitely my favorite. Then goes the Blue Diamond chili and lime flavored almonds. And then comes the True Fruit Nature strawberries. I mean, I could see myself really liking these, eating them a lot, but just for what it is, like the size of it, it just seemed kind of expensive. Like this one is only 1 pound. Both of these, this is almost 3 pounds, and this one is over a pound. So just for the value, I think that these two are a better value, but overall, you definitely need to check all of them out. Head to your nearest Sam's Club, or maybe check online, see if you can buy these anywhere. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena try any new snacks, which she didn't want any of them tonight. Obviously, I wasn't going to give her the strawberry one, but she did not want to try the almond or the Tajín mango rings. But she would really appreciate it if you gave this video a big thumbs up and commented down below. Me and Zena just wanted to say something real fast. We are extremely blessed, and we are very honored that we have the lifestyle and we have the money situation that we are able to go to Sam's Club and buy snacks like this, to just try them. I mean, I'm gonna eat all of these, but not all the time do my snacks tryouts actually get eaten. Sometimes they get given to other people, but sometimes, I will admit it, every once in a while food is wasted in my house. And me and Zena just wanted to make a quick little prayer We started off this video with a Bible verse from Ecclesiastes, and we just wanted to pray really fast. Is that okay? Is that okay if we pray? Dear God, we thank you very much for the situation that you have put me in with having a job and Mr. Cameraman having such a successful business of his own. We are just very grateful that you have blessed us with the monetary ability to be able to basically buy whatever food and try whatever food we want. And we just pray that you help out all of those who are in a hungry situation or in a food scarce situation where they might not know where their next meal is coming from, let alone one of these fun snacks. I just pray that you keep all of those people on a path that leads them to the best life possible. And we just pray this in your glorious, in your ever-bearing name. Amen. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.